Good morning. This is next session, Unit 1, Section 2, I believe. Identify and calculate the area and perimeter for each triangle. So we're going to go through a couple examples, like maybe the first three, and show you how you calculate the area and perimeter, and then we'll say the type of triangle. So this is part of using formulas, which is in our first section, which you need to be able to do. So hopefully everything is going well for you. And so let's go through this, and we'll see how long it takes us to do a few of these problems. Now, area formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So that's what we're going to be working on. So in this triangle, my base is all of A, and A is 57. So I'm going to go 57 times my height, which is H, 71.5, and then when I'm done, I'm going to divide by 2. And if you do this correctly, you should get the answer of 2,037. Just I can squeeze this in here. About 2,037 square feet. Okay, so I'm going to put the units feet squared on just above there. The perimeter. Perimeter, remember, add all sides. So add all sides. Do not include H. So in this case, it's going to be A plus B plus another B. So A plus B plus B equals my perimeter. I'm going to abbreviate there. So if I add these together, remember my A is 57 plus B is 79 plus another 79, and my final answer there would be about 215 feet. Okay. And what type of triangle do I have? I have an isosceles triangle. Isosceles meaning I only have two sides that are the same, both B and B. Okay. All right, number 2. Same formula, okay, for area. Base times height divided by 2. I'm just going to abbreviate kind of there, put the form up above. So in this case, my base is all of C, so C is 90. Okay, and I'm going to times that by my height, which is H, which is 50. And when I'm all done, divide by 2. So 90 times 50 divided by 2 is about 2,250 and square feet. So make sure you have proper units on that. That's FT squared and written pretty small. Perimeter, I'm going to add up all the sides. So let's take a look at my sides. That's going to be C plus A plus B. Again, C, here is A, here is B. So I'm going to add all three of those together. If I add them all up, you should get about 228 feet. Okay, roughly around there. There might be a decimal involved, but it should be approximately 228 feet. Now if I look at all my sides, A is 55, B is 83 roughly, and C is 90. They're all different. So if you have a triangle that has all different sides, it is called a scalene triangle. Okay. All right, and the third one we're going to focus on today is this one right here. Oh, notice all my sides are the same. So right away I know that this is going to be an equilateral triangle. Okay, so there's my type, equilateral, meaning all sides are the same. The area is the same formula from up here. So my base is this S, which is 68, times by my height, which is, I'm going to round this off to about 59. And then when I get my answer, I will divide it by 2. So this answer is about 2002 roughly. So squeeze that in there. Again, there might be a decimal related with that, but you should answer should be around 2002. Perimeter. Now notice there are S's, so I can go S plus another S, or I can just go 3 times S, which is going to be 3 times 68, which turns out to be about 204 feet. Okay, area would be in feet squared. Okay, so feet squared, and this one down here would just be in feet. So keep that in mind as you do these. Okay, so again, your homework assignment then for you to keep working on, and you can check your answers too on the next sheet. Work on 4, 5, 6, and if you need extra practice, you can go 7, 8, and 9 as well. But definitely get 4, 5, and 6 done, just like I did above. That'll be great work for you. Thank you. Hey, have a great afternoon.